I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here at the Morgan Road crossing in Woodbine, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision, and I've got a lot to cover. So first of all, if we take a look to the right, you can see the West Hood signals, and I got a lot to explain. So we're gonna zoom in, and you can see that only that middle signal light is on. The other two are not on. And there's a lot of debris from tree branches. So essentially, the date I'm filming this is March 11th, I think. Yeah, March 11th. The day before today, March 10th, there was a lot of wind, heavy winds here. And there's actually pretty heavy winds today, but not as bad as yesterday. And there was a massive tree that fell down a little bit down there and completely knocked the signal head down. So that's probably why it looks the way it does right now. But hey, they got it fixed pretty quickly. So that's just a little bit of this intro. So I apologize, this is going to be a long intro, but I might as well explain it to clear confusion. Second thing, we're going to zoom in. You can see those tracks are not lined for the main, they are lined for the siding. That is because we have ourselves a train meet between two trains, M216, which is the eastbound, and M371, which is westbound. So I'm likely going to combine those two. M216 has a flared MAC leading CSX 4746, which you all saw recently on my channel. It was leading M370, but I heard it was going through the old main, and I'm like, well, why not catching the old main? So second thing is, I don't know what M371's power is going to be, or consist / rolling stock, so we'll see. But yeah, M216 is going to be going slow through here into the siding, and then M371 is going to pass. So that's all I have for the intro. I know it's a long intro. I'm trying not to do long intros, but oh my gosh, that is the most hideous thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, look, the signal's just lit up. It's medium approach, except that bottom light is still on. That medium approach is going to be for M216. Oh my gosh, that's funny. So yeah, here comes M216. That's going to get here first, and then M371 is going to get here second. And I hope you all enjoy this video. All right, it's here. Let's take a look. That's rare. Burlington Northern. Yep, he's going in the siding. So I laughed because these crossings, I noticed the last time I went here, the sound wasn't working, and then like they activated, they kind of glitched for a little bit, and then they worked. So it's a mess here, but I'm not complaining. So one up front, don't know what the DPU is going to be. The knee's going to be coming to a screeching halt. I think it's a rear DPU. Could be wrong. Alright. Yep. Alright, so M216 is going to stop, and then M371 is going to be next. Stay tuned for that part. Okay, so M371 is approaching. There's actually someone working on the signals now. So here comes the meat. Nice flying 2-liter in a coiled car, Conrail. But it looks like it's going to be tankers the rest of the way. Flammable. And it looks like they're loaded too, so. two 16s on the move too. Yep, it is. Alright, not a bad train meet. Okay, thank you all for watching this video of the train meet. And here from Morgan Road Crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision in Woodbine, Maryland, this is the Old Main Guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.